Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
We're both here with Birchbox.
Yay, so celebrating you since 2010. Does yours say that on the back? Is that the day they like...
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just making sure. What was I going to say? Mine says the Magnificent Edith today. That is what it says. And we're filming back-to-back videos. So if you see us in the same outfit. We actually today we're celebrating my grandma-in-law's 90th birthday. So we got to go to that. That was awesome celebrating that. I was like, happy birthday, Grandma Bev.
I can't open it.
I know it's a hard one today. Oh, but it's a pretty... Oh, wow, there's like something underneath. But I'll just show the box real quick. Don't mind my crappy nails. I feel like I'm giving up on nails. This is all the things. Sorry. I'm skipping words there on that song because I don't have any rights to it. But this is interesting. I bet it'll explain what this is. Either a makeup bag or something. Either a makeup bag or I'm guessing. Color. Oh, weird. Let's compare on camera. But I have the feeling that
I think mine's more green, right?
Yeah, it's still a little bit of a different shape. But I was gonna say it's either it's either makeup. It's probably a makeup bag, but it makes me think of like a bathing suit bag too. Is what I was gonna say.
I'm gonna fan.
I wasn't so rudely interrupting. Here. Well, this is join the party CAD. Why would it call us a CAD? Except this is Customer Appreciation Day 9/18.
Mine has stickers on top.
Show that. Where's my stickers? Mine's probably underneath. Oh yeah, underneath. Underneath the card. See, I don't own that song either. Have any rights to it. But the stickers, I don't usually like the stickers, so I'm like, where am I gonna put them? But sometimes we'll find just a weird place to put them, and I don't mind.
Is that?
I don't mind. And I think we got 2 different boxes. I think I picked one for whatever reason, and she picked one. I think that is something you can do with Birchbox for the $12, whatever it is a month now.
I think we both got this.
I paid for a year, right? I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, I paid for a year. Yeah.
Yeah, just for subscribers, free travel size, Sunday Riley good jeans with $35 shop purchase. I cannot read or speak English today, but yeah, I'll go over like what I hate in mine because I did pick this one and what I like. So this is a Daily Concepts multifunctional soap sponge mother of pearl. I think I was interested in this, not really needing it, but I thought I would definitely try it and just see how I can do with it. I've got an Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. I think this is a hair mask. And so that I was like, maybe give away because maybe possibly 50-50. My cleanse remove. This is a purifying cleansing gel. I love my cleansers. I probably have like 8 now and I never want to give up getting more. So there's that. This deep sleep pillow spray, I have actually a couple, but I do I hoard these. I don't want to get rid of it. And then I have the cleanse off oil. If I'm saying that right, sorry, I have contacts in. It's Max. This I do use too as well. Like anything that's cleansing or removing makeup, like getting this stuff off my face, doesn't just take 1 second. And then the last thing I have is hydrating collagen eye pads by Wilhelmus Schumann, European Skincare. If I'm saying that correctly. Again, this I probably don't need, so if I have too many of these, I'll just put it in the giveaway because I have a lot of eye masks.
Do you remember like the title of yours was?
No, I'm gonna look it up, but
I can't remember which ones we picked. We picked different ones though. I know, I was looking at that and tells us what we got, but it doesn't say the name of the...
Well, mine's a self-care save.
Wait, where does it say that?
Saviors. I wonder if it's yours.
Oh, so then mine must be clean beauty picks, I guess? Yeah. So hers was the
self-care stuff.
And mine was a clean beauty pick.
We're assuming.
So I didn't necessarily want every single thing, but some of the things I did want. So the first thing I'm pulling out is Snow Fox Skincare Herbal Youth Collagen Boosting Mask.
That's a cute little
box.
So as
long as
it's
this one we can kind of like leave on and rub in, that'll be a good thing. And then
That's
Daily
what I
Cleanse.
want. I love my probiotics, my anything from Hum.
The next 3-day sample.
Personally, I mean,
so that's good. I wanted that. And then this is like by itself. This is hot. This was in my mailbox, so it's kind of hot.
It's like 95 today.
It says Momo Shampoo, Moisturizing Shampoo for Dry or Dehydrated Hair by, is it Divines? I don't know how you say it. That's that.
Divine.
So I don't know if I particularly wanted that, but...
Divines, who knows?
And then there's the conditioner to go with it.
I always feel like the conditioner's so little compared to the
shampoo. Anyway.
But that'd be good for my hair because my hair's really dry. But I thought
this is the thing I don't think I ever used my other one that I have, so...
We just don't use highlighting creams that much.
The Beauty Crop Lightning Crew Nurse with Pineapple and Green Tea.
I think I still have that in my medicine cabinet, and I try to like use it, and then I still haven't.
I don't think I use it.
So probably going to give away too, because again, if you guys could use it, we'd rather you guys use it than it just not go anywhere.
And then Naturally Serious Major Moisture Gentle Cream Cleanser. So I have I think they're moisturizer in a little size like this, but I didn't have the cleanser yet, so I thought it'd be good.
And I think what I was saying earlier, not to start interrupting Kim. Oh, you got one more thing? Mm-hmm. Okay, we'll wait till you're done. Sorry.
And then the last thing is Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm, which sounds really weird, but for dry skin,
because you can use it other places than that.
It's 100% natural. So
I was gonna say with Birchbox for the $12, you can choose either one selection of like a product sample, or you can like choose a certain kind of box, and that's what we did this time. Or you can just get the mystery box.
Or a full size product, I think,
or,
too. Now,
or is it now full?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's something new, a full size product. So yeah, so just so you guys know that, if you didn't know, I'm sure you guys watching us all these videos, you've seen that. But if this video is fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, be part of our future giveaways, and don't forget to join our one right now that we have in our giveaway video if you want to check that out.
I think there's only so many days left, right?
Yeah,
5 days left?
September 12th, we're pulling a winner. So we'll hope it will be one of you guys, and we'll catch you in our next video. Well, yeah, 2 winners, sorry.
Technically.
We'll catch you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.